Hi, I'm here today to talk to you about this Bolus um, ergonomical, ergonomically correct drafting chair. Now, as you can see, this chair has thick padded um, armrest, as well as the seat is designed to spring back and not be so hard. It's very soft, and I don't know if you can see how thick it is, but it is very comfortable. I sit in this all day long, and I don't have an issue with my back. Not to mention, it has lumbar support. This is very solid in here. Now, this will adjust, and as you can see down here, you have a foot rest as well as rolling. So when you need to push away from your desk, you can easily do it with the feet rest. It's a very nice chair, and it adjusts to what you need. And if you can see over here, it works really well with our high desk that we have here for our monitors. And everyone feels, you feel very comfortable after you have sat in this chair all day long. It is very supportive on your back. It's just an overall nice drafting office chair. And that is just my honest opinion.